Back in October, when I released my 94 Things You Missed in It, I theorized that Henry Bowers may have killed his friends Victor and Belch on the way from his house to the final showdown at 29 Neibolt. My reasoning behind the theory was that Henry watches the TV show Scene Around Derry, where Pennywise encourages him to kill them all. Then he kills his father. When we next see him at the 29 Neibolt house, he pulls up in Belch's car, with more blood on him than before. So I thought maybe there was a deleted scene involving Henry killing his friends and stealing the car. I declared we'd have to wait for the Blu-ray to come out to see if I was right. So fast forward to today. At the time of me making this video, the Blu-ray still isn't out in my country, but it has been released in Australia, and one of my fans was nice enough to give me a heads up. The clip has only surfaced on Instagram so far, so please excuse the quality, but let's roll it.
Like lambs to a slaughter. What'd you say, fellas? Yeah. Sure you would.
So it looks like I was spot on with the theory, but what implications does this have for the upcoming sequel? In the book, Belch and Victor die not long after at the hands of It. In the adult portion, Pennywise exhibits the forms of both Victor and Belch to help break Henry out of prison. Henry apologizes for leaving them to die in the sewers all those years ago. As of right now, we don't even know if Henry survives the fall into the well in the Neibolt basement. But if he does live, it's safe to say that Victor and Belch probably won't be the forms used by It to break him out of prison. That would be one awkward car ride. If Henry doesn't live, then with all four bullies out of the picture now, who's gonna be the new scapegoat for the killings that took place that summer? Let me know your ideas in the comments. Also, let me know if you think this deleted scene should have been removed or not. And I know what you're thinking, CZ, how can I get myself some of that stylish float merchandise? For that, you're gonna wanna head over to the new CZsWorld merch store, where you can find float tees, sleeveless shirts, and even a mug, among other merchandise. I'll leave a link in the description. But most importantly, remember to subscribe to CZsWorld for new horrors every week, ring that death bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one, assuming we both survive.